from yesterday. So we're gonna run through it pretty quick today, and then the rest of the period will be yours to work on stuff. Okay, put your phones up, iPads up. Okay, so we can go ahead and say 4 times 1, because there's really a 1 there, which is 4b. 4 times 4 is going to be 16 equals negative 39 minus 7b. Okay, and I have 2 pieces on one side and 2 pieces on the other side, so we can go ahead and start moving our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So I'm going to say plus 7b, plus 7b. And we're going to say minus 16, minus 16. Okay, 4 plus 7 is what? 11b. Negative 39 minus 16. What?
55.
55, somebody agree? 55? Okay. Michael, put that up, please. Close it up, you don't need it. And then divide by 11. So we're going to get what? B equals what? Negative 5. Okay, what I'm writing here is a paper. If you accidentally put 5 and not negative 5, that I totally give you. I just write the negative on there. If your number's wrong or you just wrote negative 5, I'm not taking it. Okay, I'm telling you right now, I'm going to mark it wrong. We did all this work. There's no way that you did that much work in your head. It's not happening. If you did, then you need to let me know so I can move you into honors, because this is not the place for you. Okay? I can see skipping some steps in your head if you're really good at math, and I'm totally on board with that. Okay, but there's no way you got all the way to 5 with doing nothing. Okay, look at the next one. We're gonna go ahead and distribute. So 7 times 3 is gonna be 21p, and then 7 times 7 is gonna be 49. Okay, I have 2 pieces on the left and 2 pieces on the right, so that checks out. What needs moved?
21p.
21p needs moved over. What else needs moved?
The 11.
The 11 needs moved over. Nick, put your phone up. 2 minus 21.
19. Or negative 19.
Negative 19p. And 49 minus 11.
38.
38. And then our last step is always to do what?
Divide.
Divide by negative 19. And what is that?
Negative 2.
Can I scroll? Okay, 5. What needs done first? Get rid of the parentheses. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and distribute. So I got negative 16p plus 1p. Negative 7 times negative 7 is going to be a positive 49p. And then negative 7 times 2 is going to be negative 14. And then I still have that minus 2. Okay, how many pieces are on the left? 2. They're right. 3. So something needs combined on the right side. What is it?
14 and 2.
And 14 and 2. Okay, so I get negative 16 plus 1p equals 49p. Oh my gosh, I cannot write this morning. 49p minus 16 is what that's going to give me. Negative 14 minus 2 is going to be minus 16. Okay, now we got two pieces and two pieces, so now what needs moved?
The 49p.
49p needs moved over. Which negative 16? The left one needs moved over to the right. Okay, 1 minus 49,
48.
negative 48, good. Equals what?
0.
0. Okay, and this is where definitely, hopefully, more than not can skip the steps. What steps could you skip and why?
Division.
Division. Why could we just skip the division step?
Because it would just lead to 0.
It is just gonna lead to 0. 0. Okay, so when we would divide by 48, and you're more than welcome to write all the steps out. Okay, but we know we gotta divide by 48 on both sides, and 0 divided by anything is what? 0. Okay, but if you still wanna go through and do all this, you're more than welcome to. Okay. Same thing up here. Some of you guys can just start skipping. Some of you guys can write the stuff underneath. Okay. Okay, 7. We're gonna say negative 5. Okay, you gotta take that negative with that 5 and times it by all the stuff on the inside. So 8k, you're gonna get a negative 15k, a positive 10, and then the other side. How many pieces are on the left? 3, the right. 2. Okay, so which one needs combined? Yeah, on the right, okay, the 8 and the 15 can get combined. Okay, so what is 8 minus 15? Negative 7k plus 10 equals 18 minus 8k. Okay, and then our 8 needs moved over. And our 10 needs moved over. Negative 7 plus 8? 1k. 18 minus 10?
8.
8. Okay, again, we could skip steps. Why?
Because it's just going to lead to the exact same number.
Yes, it is. Okay, so when we divide by 1, it's going to be the exact same thing. K and 1k are the exact same thing. Okay, that's why we always add the 1, right? You can just as simply take away the 1, as long as it's not negative. Okay, so this one you're going to get k equals 8. Okay, or if you just want to circle it from here, you're more than welcome to do that. Okay, 9, I got negative 7 times 1, and then negative 7 times 4. How many pieces are on the left? 2, the right. 2. Okay, so I'm going to say plus 4n. Plus 4n. And then a plus 7 and a plus 7. Negative 28 plus 4. Negative 24n. And then a negative 31 plus 7. Negative 24. And our last step is always to do what? Divide. 1. Can I scroll? Go like that. Okay, 11, we're gonna start off with distributing. So I got -3 plus 7x equals -3 minus 6x. Okay, and there's 2 pieces on the left and 2 on the right, so we can go ahead and start moving. So I got a plus 6x plus 6x. And then I got a plus 3 and a plus 3. 7 plus 6 is going to be 13x. -3 plus 3,
0.
0. So I got 13x equals 0. So what is my final answer going to be?
0.
0. Number 12. What are we distributing? What's getting distributed? There's still parentheses, so we gotta get rid of them. What are we distributing? Alright, what number is in front of an X if there's no number there? A 1. So see how there's a negative? It's really a -1 right here out in front. Okay, there's a negative, or there's a 1 in between that minus sign and that first parentheses. Okay, mine I have a hard time writing it, but so I got -1 times 4 is going to be -4n. -1 times -2 is a positive 2. Okay, so it's kind of, I mean, it's not kind of like, it is like flipping all the signs on the inside of the parentheses. Okay, and I got 2 pieces on the left and 2 pieces on the right. So we can go ahead and start moving stuff around. So I'm going to say plus 7n. Our letters go to the left. And all of our numbers should be going on the right side. -4 plus 7, 3n. And then a -10 minus 2, -12. Our last step is going to be to divide by 3. And we're going to get n equals -4. Okay, 15, I got -3 times -4 is going to be positive 12k. -3 times 1 is going to be a -3 equals -8k plus 37. And then we can go ahead and start moving our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So we're going to say a plus 8k plus 8k. And then a plus 3 and a plus 3. Okay, what is 12 plus 8? 12k plus 8k. 20k, good. What about this side? What are you going to get? The other side? 40, right? So we're taking the 37 and the 3. So you're going to get 40. What is our last step? Always, always. To divide. Two? 20, 40, yeah. Okay, the entire back page, this one, right, if you close your packet. Okay, so 17 through 20 is extra credit. Okay, so that's totally up to you if you wanna do that or not. 1 through 16 are required, so as of right now, you have 8 problems to do. Okay,